Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial I am going to show you how we can make addition, subtraction, division and multiplication in JavaScript. So first of all, let's go and declare a variable. Let's say for declaring variable we need to say var, and let's say num on equal to, let's say 10. Then we are going to declare another variable which will be num2 equal to, let's say 20. So right now if you want to find the summation of those two, all you have to do is that you need to say over here var sum equal to, we can just say over here num on plus num2, and then if we just write over here document dot write, then if we just print the sum, then we'll be able to see 30 in our browser. So let me just save it and let me just open it in the browser. So let me just open that, and here you can see the summation is 30. If you want to find the subtraction, you can do that as well. For that, what you have to do is that we'll just copy this and we'll just say over here instead of sum, let's say over here sub and say number on minus number 2. Then we'll just give this document.write, we'll say over here sub. So right now if we save, then if we now refresh here you can see minus 10, because if we subtract from 10 to minus 20 we will get minus 10. Okay, let's just make this 30. Okay, so right now if we save it, then if we refresh here, okay, we can see over here 50 and 10. It means 30 plus 20 is 50 and 30 minus 20 is 10. Okay, let me just write it like this, and so I think this will be easier for you to understand. And here what we will do is that let's just say over here addition plus sum, we want to show it properly. So here, and let's also give a br tag over here. So br tag will create a gap, so here we are going to say br closing. So right now save, then if we refresh here you can see addition 50 and this is subtraction, so we'll say over here subtraction, we'll say subtraction. Let's just give over here plus, then again plus, and then we'll mention the br tag. Okay, save, let's refresh, and here you can see subtraction. So right now we are giving the data directly from the code. Now let's say you want to give the data in the browser. So for it, what you can do is that instead of writing over here num on equal to 30, we can say over here prompt, and then we'll say enter your first number. Then I can just copy this, I'll just copy this and paste it here, and here we'll say enter your second number. Then if we now save it, then if we now refresh over here, okay, it's not showing us anything. Maybe I just did a mistake, spelling mistake. Okay, it will be prompt, prompt, like this. Okay, so right now let's save it again, then let's refresh over here again, and here you can see it is asking us enter your first number. Let's say 50, then we'll click OK, and here then it will ask us enter your second number. Let's say over here 10. Then if we click OK, so here you can see 50 and 10, so it did not actually add our number. The reason is when we write anything in the prompt, then it will consider that as a string. So we need to make the prompt value as a number. So for that, what we need to do is that we'll just say over here number on equal to, we'll say parts integer int, then we'll give two first bracket, then we'll say over here number 1 comma 10. So this will make our string, I mean whatever you write in the prompt, it will make it into a integer. So here we need to say parts int number 10. We need to say over here 10 because we have all the number we have start from 0 to 1. So if we write over here 10, then it will automatically make it into a integer. Okay, so after number, let's also do the same for the number 2 as well. So it's over here number 2 and parts in number 2. So right now let's save it here. So right now if we refresh our browser, it should give us a proper value. So let's go to our browser, let's refresh, let's say over here 50, click OK, then we'll give over here 10, then click OK, and here you can see addition 60 and subtraction 40. We can also do the multiplication and division as well. Let me just show you. Let's just say over here. Okay, let me just copy this, then paste over here, and we'll say multiplication over here, then over here we'll say division, so we'll give over here slash. So right now let me just copy this, then paste it here 2 times. So here, so this will be multiplication, so let's just say over here mul, and this will be division, let's just say over here div. So here we are going to say multiplication, it will be mul, and here we are going to say division, it will be over here we need to say div. So right now let's save it and let's try to do our math. Let's refresh. Let's say over here 100, click OK. Let's give our second number, let's say it will be 20, then click OK, and here you can see addition is on 20, subtraction is 80, multiplication is 2000, and division is 5. So this is how you can make a simple calculator in JavaScript. I hope this tutorial was easy for you. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or if you want me to make a specific video, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will really appreciate if you subscribe this channel. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.